guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am doing a full face first impression review on the brand Makeup Revolution. I know that this brand has been out for a while and people have talked about it, raved about it for years now. I just have never gotten around to trying this brand, and it wasn't until they collaborated with Emily Noel, I have the two palettes here, that I was like, okay, maybe I'll check this brand out. They are cruelty-free. They are, I think, considered drugstore. I found these at Ulta Beauty and they are affordable. So I'm really excited to try this brand out. I'm gonna do full face, like brows, mascara, everything is going to be Makeup Revolution, and I'm trying this all out for the very first time and I'm really excited. So if you want to get ready with me and you want to see my first impression review on the products that I picked up, then just keep on watching. But first, before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is JaaackJack. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into the video. Why do I feel like I'm talking in slow motion? I feel very slow and sluggish right now. Probably because I just ate Carl's Jr. I always switch up the order in which I do my makeup, like brows, face, eyes, sometimes eyes, brows, face. I always switch it up. So what do I want to do? I guess let's start with the face. So the foundation I have is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I hope that this shade works for me. I ordered this online, so I was just kind of guessing. This is the shade F8. Please match me. So it comes with this gigantic doe foot sponge applicator, which is pretty cool. Okay, wish me luck. I don't have a primer. Oh well. Oh, not too bad. That looks like it might match. I'm just gonna use a flat top brush and start blending this out. Sweet, I think it's a good color match. Ooh, I like the coverage of this. I mean, so far, first impression, that looks beautiful. Okay, for concealer, this is the one I heard that this was similar to the Tarte Shape Tape. So we're gonna try it out. This is the Conceal and Define concealer. I got C7 and C8. So if I was F8, I wanna guess that C8 is going to match me, or would I go one shade lighter for concealer? I'm trying to decide what color I wanna use. I feel like this one. Okay, let's start with C8 first. Oh, I might do a little bit of both actually. I love the sponge tip applicator on here. Oh yeah, this looks like a good color too. I really like the applicator. It's like so smooth and the product applies so nice and creamy and like a little on the thick side, which I like. Wow! I am sorry I did not try this out sooner. My skin looks like a Barbie doll right now. Oh my goodness. What the heck? This is so good. Conceal and Define. Oh my gosh. For powder, I picked up the Luxury Baking Powder, the banana color. Pick some up on the same brush. I think that looks pretty good. Oh, we got lucky with this one. Oh, I can't get over how flawless my skin looks right now. Like, do I even have pores? Like, what the heck? Let's go ahead and do the brows. So I have the Duo Brow Definer in medium brown. So one side has the spoolie and the other side has the brow product. So let's go ahead and give this a try. This is very like square, chunky triangle. I never get the darkest brow color because even though my hair is black, I don't like my brows to be black. So that's why I always try to do like a medium color, but this is like super dark. And I feel like this product, it's too creamy that it's like transferring all over when I try to blend it out with the spoolie. It's just like getting all messy. Whew, these brows are rough. Oh my god. I can't stand these brows. You guys, I can't. These brows are so horrendous. Okay, did not like this. So at the beginning of this year in my Ulta haul, you guys saw that I picked up the Emily Edit The Needs palette, and they didn't have the Wants palette because of a recall, but this one has the like essentials for like your everyday makeup look. So like basic eyeshadows and blush, bronzer, highlight. So this is like your everyday, the needs. But I finally picked up the Wants palette as well. That's what I was holding off for. Like I wanted to wait to do this video until I was able to get this palette as well. So this is the Wants, and when I opened it, hold on, let me see. A little bit of the palette, like the little plastic part, broke off right here on the back. So look, it's like disconnected. It arrived broken, which is so sad. Check out this mirror, it's gigantic. Wait, did this one have a mirror? I didn't even notice. Oh, this one has a big, awesome mirror as well, but this is gigantic. I love it. I'm just really sad that it arrived broken like this. Meh. So the Wants palette is all like the fun, colorful shades to create like any look you want. And if you watch Emily Noel, you know that she does a lot of fun looks, but even like her colorful looks, they're a little more toned down colorful looks, like more wearable colorful looks. And so I feel like this palette is just so perfect for her style. Like it totally makes sense. The color Cupcake right here is totally calling my name. So I'm gonna start with the color Prayer right here at the top. And I wanna blend this right, oh, that's really pigmented. I'm gonna blend that right into the crease. We have the color Prayer, and I'm just blending that. Okay, I think I'm gonna take the color Good Vibes now, which is right over here. This looks like it's gonna be a shimmer color. I'm going to put this in the crease as well. I'm using the same brush, but I'm going to try and keep this color a little bit lower and not go as high. Oh, I like this palette. It's not like intimidating to play around with. I think because it is a colorful palette, so there's a lot of fun elements and fun looks you can come up with, but because they're more muted down colors, it's not as scary to just pick up a color and confidently apply it onto your eyes, you know what I mean? I'm actually gonna go back with the first color Prayer. I'm gonna go right above because I feel like we kind of lost it a little bit. With a smaller brush here, I'm gonna take this purpley shade called, I think, Pi-Fi. I think that's how you say it. And I'm going to place this on the outer corner and outer crease to give this like a slightly sultry look. I love how that looks. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Cupcake, which is the one that I was eyeing earlier today. I'm gonna take that on a flat shader brush and place this on the inner part of my lid. I don't know why. This eyeshadow look reminds me of like a princess. Probably Rapunzel or Aurora. Who am I thinking of? Probably Rapunzel because of the purple. For my highlight, I think I want to go into the Needs palette and take the shade Kindness right here. I'm gonna pop that on my brow bone and then also my inner corner. Okay, this might be a little weird, but I feel like the color Grateful, this really pretty light green, I feel like that might look pretty on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take a small little pencil brush and apply that shade onto my lower lash line. This look is totally reminding me of Tangled. Do you guys see it, or is that just me? I don't know if you guys can see, it might be hard to pick up the color on camera, but it's a very, very subtle, light, shimmery green on the waterline, or like the lower lash line. And I feel like it just adds this nice brightness and like pop, like very subtle pop of color. I mean, I know our eyelids have color, but like that's just another like fun little color. I like it. But I think I want to do, let me take the same brush and go in with the color, we're gonna take the color Hobby right here on the same brush. And I'm just gonna put this on the outer part of the lower lash line right underneath the green. I was hoping for something different. That's not really exactly what I was going for, but it's okay. I think we are done with eyeshadow. I really like how this turned out and it was so easy to do. Let's go ahead and move on to eyeliner. I picked up the Intense Longwear Black Felt Tip Eyeliner. Looks like this. It says Renaissance Flick. Oh, I like that. That's pretty. It's like stiff. It's not very flimsy. and it's very inky, which I also like. So you don't have to like draw, you can gently press it against your lash line and it'll apply the color. I'm just gonna do a tiny wing. I actually really like that eyeliner. Wow. I did those crooked. However, I do really like this eyeliner. This was awesome. For mascara, I got the Mascara Revolution. Let's go mascara. Please do something for my lashes. I hope that I like this mascara because so far, other than the brows, I've been liking everything. So it'd be really cool to like this mascara as well. Yeah, it's a mascara I would continue to use, but it's not doing anything special with my lashes. I mean, my lashes look decent. So, I mean, you can see them. I guess that's a plus. You can actually see my lashes, right? I really like how that looks on the lower lashes though. Oh yeah, I'm obsessed with how that looks on the lower lashes. I think that looks so good. Woo! The eyes are done. Okay, all we have to do now is finish off the face and the lips, and then this look is done. So I'm gonna use the Needs palette for the blush, bronzer, and highlight in here. So I'm gonna take the bronzer, which is called Courage, right here. It looks like warm and ashy at the same time. I think I like it though. Okay, now I'm gonna take the blush, which is called Joy. Oh gosh, I knew that was gonna be pigmented. Oh my goodness. That's like the perfect peachy pink type of blush. It's not too pink, it's not too peach. It's just like right in the middle. Finally, the highlighter, which is called Gratitude. Let's go ahead and try this out. I don't know why, it looks very chalky and dry. It has kind of like, it's a cool tone. Highlight, I can kind of see like the bluish, like the icy bluish purple type of tone to it. I'm not crazy about it with this. I'm not crazy about it with this look. Not my favorite highlighter. Last but not least, for the lips, I love the packaging of this lipstick. This is the Renaissance lipstick in Awaken. This looks like it's been touched. What in the freaking world? There's like marks on here and like little scratches on here. What the heck? Ew. I don't like the way this tastes. Ew. It tastes like little kid makeup. I think once blended out, I think that's really pretty. So that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you've tried this brand, let me know what was your favorite product, what was your least favorite, like what was your experience trying out Makeup Revolution. Overall, the face products, like the foundation, concealer, powder, oh my gosh, amazing. I can't get over it. I love the foundation, concealer, and powder. We definitely got ourselves some winners over here. The eyeshadow palettes, I know I mainly use this one, the wands, I actually really love. I'm obsessed with how this eyeshadow look turned out. I think, oh, it's just so pretty. They blended really nicely. The colors that I used were very pigmented. The eyeliner was also a favorite. I really like this, and I can definitely see myself continuing to use this. Same with the mascara. I'll continue to use it. It didn't like blow my socks off or anything like that, but I think it was a nice mascara. I think it looks really pretty on my lashes, on the lower lashes. The lipstick, not my favorite. I feel like it's too, well, first of all, the fact that it looks like it's been touched grosses me the heck out. But also it tastes, and oh god, that smell is terrible. It tastes and smells like, I don't know, like Play-Doh, like something for a kid. It smells like a nasty kid Play-Doh or toy or something. I don't know. Like play makeup. I don't know. It does not smell good at all. And I think it applies like really mushy and creamy. So that's why I ended up using my finger to blend it out. I think it looks pretty overall, but I just, I don't like the smell, and I just think it's too mushy and creamy. And the brow product I did not like. I think it's way too dark of a color, and it applies like a crayon and is just very similar to a kohl pencil liner. That's what this is like. I feel like typically with brow pencils, you want them to be a little waxy, so that way it not only like shapes your brow hair and like holds it into place, but it kind of ensures that it stays on there a lot better. With something super creamy and like crayonish like this one. It's just like I could do one swipe and my brow would be gone. But overall, I feel like we were still able to create an awesome look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for getting ready with me. And if you have any requests for future videos, make sure you leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!